Hello, bonjour, I'm Sean Carady, the broker at RE/MAX One Group. Congrats, you're now a realtor, you've joined a brokerage. Hopefully your brokerage is giving you some tips and tricks on what to do to get started. If not, here are a few of mine. Do your research on Keystone Matrix, know the market, and know your neighborhoods. Sometimes it's okay to go a little bit old school and write a handwritten thank you card or even just a card to say hello. Keep in touch with people that you know, let them know that you've joined real estate, and hopefully they'll be there to support you. Whether you prefer a hard copy book, reading on a tablet, or listening to an audiobook, keep learning. There's so much information out there to educate yourself, and all that will do is improve your knowledge in real estate. Get out there and do some open houses, and if you don't have listings, ask agents in your office if you can do theirs. They'll be happy to help you. Most importantly, get in front of people. Use social media and get uncomfortable. Many people are very uncomfortable with video and social media and putting themselves out there. So do that. Put yourself out there, use social media to your advantage, and again, get in front of people. Hopefully these tips and tricks will help you get started on your real estate journey. And if you're looking for more, reach out to me anytime. If you love real estate as much as I do, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more, check out our social media channels, like, follow, comment, and we'd love to hear from you again soon.